Thank you for tuning in to Podcast VAs Philippines, the biggest community for Filipino podcast virtual assistants and podcasters alike, created to connect podcasters and podcast producers, as well as help aspirants learn more about podcasting and podcast management. To join our exclusive Facebook group, search Podcast VAs Philippines dahil sama-sama tayo rito. And you don't need to take your podcast journey alone. Podcast VAs Philippines is powered by Zencaster, the first web-based platform that records high-quality audio and now video, because internet dropouts should not affect the quality of your recordings. Sign up for a 100% free hobbyist account or get a 20% off Zencaster's Pro plan for 3 months by using the coupon code PODCASTVAs. You are listening to the segment called Podcast VAs Tips. In these segments, we bring you short excerpts from our live recordings, mostly from the different guests we invited on the show. These short excerpts will give you a straight answer from our podcast expert on a specific question or topic related to podcasting or podcast management. So sit back and expect to learn in 10 minutes or less. So we are curious, or I personally am curious, anong mga ginagawa mo na related sa podcasting, Mami RA, at ilan ang clients mo na podcasters?
Bali, nag-start ako ng 2017 actually for podcasting service as part-time VA. During that time, nasa corporate pa ako, and then I got a part-time client na nagsa-start pa lang sa podcasting niya.
Okay.
Tapos, ang knowledge ko lang nun is I know Audacity and yung mga cut lang ng mga audio, ganyan. Pero hindi talaga yung editing. So, YouTube lang and Google. And then, 2018, nakakuha naman ako ng full-time na VA. And major task ko din doon is podcast. So, podcast editing, creation of social media images, yung audiograms, and emailing the clients for the guest pala for promotion, and also analytics ng podcast, so reporting. So there sa pag-attend ko or pag-search ko sa mga forums, yun dun ako naka-learn pa on how to edit ng audio the correct way, kasi wala ring pa-training nun before si client eh. So parang ikaw na bahala, yung ganun.
Kapa-kapa na lang.
Oo. Tapos so yun, parang more than a year na yun yung naging major task ko dun sa client. So I decided din to get some clients din na podcast related. So right now, I have editing tasks for client, included din dun yung show notes, tapos creation ng social media images or audiograms and sa Pinterest. Tapos dun naman sa isa is din, show notes din. Tapos yun, creation din of social media. So yun.
So parang yung ins and outs talaga ng podcasting, alam mo na, no? Oo. So, yung, ikaw kasi nakilala kita sa web design, akala ko yun yung talagang pinaka-ano mo dati.
Oo.
Pero ngayon, nagwe-web design ka pa rin?
Oo, meron pa rin akong mga clients for web design. So, ang purpose ko kasi ngayon, kaya nag-offer din ako ng podcast services is to outsource.
Yes.
So, yun, to help others na magkaroon din sila ng online job. Kasi yung sa web design, yun yung gusto kong gawin, na ako yung gumagawa kasi dun ko nalalabas yung creativity ko. So, sa podcast services naman, yun naman yung pwede kong ituro and outsource. So, yun. So, meron pa rin akong mga web design clients.
Wow. Kuratsa talaga si Mami RA din. Kuratsa talaga ever since. Tsaka yun nga yung maganda, na nabanggit mo na rin lang, no? Yung outsource kasi, yun yung kagandahan sa podcasting eh. Kasi Nowadays, napaka-stiff na ng competition sa pag virtual assistants, no matter what niche. So, yung mga minsan ang mga newbies nahihirapan sila. So, one of the good thing about podcasting is pwede mo siyang i-outsource, or you can help someone get a job dahil kayang-kaya nilang gawin, maturuan mo lang sila. I hope that episode helped. Be on the loop for future episode with loads of learning by subscribing to this podcast on Spotify, YouTube, Amazon Podcast, or wherever you listen to your podcast. Connect with Filipino podcasters, podcast VAs, and aspiring podcast VAs by joining our group. You may also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Simply search Podcast VAs Philippines. For questions or inquiries, email us at podcastvasph@gmail.com. I hope you have a great day, keep hustling, and we'll see you on the next one.